I needed that money to fuel my business. I knew that.
Yes, yes.
You have to have that kind of a, hustle. You like, if you don't have the money,
Hmm.
that's not an excuse to
Yes,
basically,
yes,
not do something which you don't
yes,
want to do.
yes.
Find out a job. This is something everyone wanna skip this particular part. They don't
Yes,
wanna do a job.
yeah,
Do a job to basically do something which you really wanna do. So
yes,
do that job just to basically fuel that one.
yeah, yeah.
But if you are that kind of a guy, I wanna do a job
Hmm.
and I wanna be an entrepreneur, and
Hmm.
you don't have any money. I
Hmm.
don't know any way.
Hmm.
You'll get the magic money also automatically for your
Yeah,
business.
yeah.
There's no way. You have to do something.
Yes. So either like just find a way. Like there are people who are doing surveys, like paid surveys over the internet. There are people
Yeah,
like
yeah.
who are doing that task related, like they are VAs over Amazon.com. So the things are there, and I'm teaching.
Yeah.
So for the cash flow, I have to invest my time somewhere else. I'm leveraging the skills that I already have. So I'm already teaching somewhere so that I can get the money to invest it here or the
Exactly.
other thing that I'm doing. So let's talk about it a little bit more. How much money and how much time? If one has a mindset and he's clear and he's doing a side hustle part, how long does he have to do it? How much does he have to do it? Now he has the mindset. Now I'm considering कि failures नहीं होंगे, पहला business चल रहा है. So let's consider that ideal thing. How much money and how much time needed to get to a profitable state in an e-commerce?
So see, I cannot put a figure on the
Mm-hmm.
investment, and I
Approximate.
cannot even put see, I cannot. Reason being is because when I started back then, it took me 3 months to basically make any money
Mm-hmm.
profitably.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. I was making money, but that was all in negative. I was in negative 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh for
Mm-hmm.
first month, second month, and then third month. And on the fourth month, I made money.
Mm-hmm.
So time frame, I would say, if you have to take my example, I would say 3 months. I don't know about your ethics, how hard you work,
Yes, yes.
what kind of
Yes.
knowledge do you have? Have you have the sense of doing things when you are doing things, or
Yeah.
that kind of
Yeah,
understanding?
yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know. So if someone is just working 2 hours a day and
Mm-hmm.
he doesn't know anything about the Shopify, e-commerce, social
Mm-hmm.
media, anything, then it might take 1 year. Like, I don't know what
Mm-hmm.
kind of understanding and how smart that guy is. So
Mm-hmm.
putting a time frame is something which I cannot say. But if it is a smart, like someone who is a little social media kind of a guy, and he is ready to spend at least 4 hours a day every single day
Mm-hmm.
without a failure in
Mm-hmm.
terms of showing up for their work, it
Yes.
would take them, I think, somewhere around 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
And in terms of the money,
Mm-hmm.
that depends upon the kind of, so see, you don't know exactly what gonna work at the
Mm-hmm.
end. So you
Mm-hmm.
don't know whether Facebook will work for you, whether Google
Yeah,
will
yeah,
work for you, and you don't know about
yeah,
that
yeah,
fact.
yeah,
So
yeah.
you either need a guidance, you need guidance from someone who knows for the fact that, okay, Facebook is the thing, but you
Mm-hmm.
have to do it every single day, this
Mm-hmm.
particular part for 4 hours,
Mm-hmm.
and do it for just for these number of weeks, and I know you will reach out from here to there. But
Mm-hmm.
if you are just a normal guy who has no mentorship or no kind of a mentoring
Mm-hmm.
going on from someone, in that way you just have to hustle. Like, there's
Mm-hmm.
no period to that. As
Mm-hmm.
long as, like, you can obviously quit.
Mm-hmm.
You can quit anytime you feel like, but if you quit, that would just say that I would say your pain tolerance is less in terms of to
Mm-hmm.
go for that
We are
particular
not
business.
considering that. Like we
Because
are considering the mindset hai. And you said somewhere around. So I take it up to 90 days.
you
So
can take it up to 90 days.
4 to 5 hours
That's a good
every
time
single day, every
period.
single day, 90 days. So that's a part of the thing that I have started. Like, if you, so in 90 days, if you, every single day, if you do it for 4 to 5 hours, and in 90 days, you don't get, I'm not talking about being ROI positive, but if you're not getting any kind of results, then this might be the thing that you are not made up for, or like this might be the thing that you shouldn't
Yeah,
even.
maybe see, anyone can do it. Like if someone is putting 3 months,
Mm-hmm.
and when there is a proven model, which is
Mm-hmm.
e-commerce is a proven model, it's not a model which works for someone, it doesn't work for someone if someone is doing the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Or 3 months is a very good amount of time.
Yeah,
Fine.
yeah,
And
that's
if
what I
you
wanted
are
to get.
putting 4 hours, yeah,
Now put a
even
cap on
like,
the money part. We have 3
yeah,
months.
so for the money part, I would say on a conservative level,
Mm-hmm.
fine. And to get some result, and we are not talking about ROI positive, I would say
Mm-hmm.
$1,000
Okay.
straight away, $1,000.
Okay.
But people, I know a lot of guys who will see this video, they will just have this perception that they will spend that $1,000 and they will make money,
Mm-hmm.
ROI positive, and because Nick said so, you need $1,000 to start this business. No, Nick said this, that you need to spend $1,000 and you have to spend 4 to 5 hours a day to
Yes.
basically understand this business and see some results coming in.
Mm-hmm.
Results mean some sales coming in.
Yes.
Positivity, like positive part on your revenue side, it's not a thing
Mm-hmm.
which I would say, okay, you will do that. Because
Mm-hmm.
even at my level at this particular time after 4 years, sometimes I spend like I've been giving this example for a long time now. I was trying to get into a all new different business in e-commerce only, in a new niche which I haven't touched before, and we spent $15,000,
Okay.
and I mean negative $15,000,
Mm-hmm.
not even like so, and we were not in positive,
Okay.
and we were fine with it
Mm-hmm.
because we were kind of we know the upside and the downside of it, so
Mm, I'm
we
coming
knew
there.
that if we
Yeah.
actually we
It's the
can break.
risk to positive side as
Yeah,
well. Like,
so we knew that for the fact that if we break that part,
mm-hmm.
that this $15,000 negative is just a thing of 2 days or maybe 3 days for us.
Mm-hmm.
We can just take that thing and make it positive right away.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, but that will come over time. it,
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
doesn't come
So
like
let's talk
like
about
that.
it. What's the potential upside? How much one can make and how much you have made?
There's
Oh
no
yeah.
cap on it. Just to let you know, I am a slow learner. I
Mm-hmm.
believe that.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and in 4 years, so this year I had my this year highest was $33,000 in one day.
Okay. And what is like
So
20% is the profit margin?
it was more than 40%.
Okay. Okay.
That is not real, actually.
Mm-hmm.
That is what you say, anomaly.
Mm-hmm.
I would say it's not just, it
Yeah,
was a
it's not
special
every day.
case because
Yeah.
it's not every day. On an every day, if you make 20 to 30%, you are good.
Mm.
20 to 30% is something which you should aim for, because that's a decent percentage to keep a business going on.
You said
Like,
one day 33,000 in this year. So that means the last 5 months.
so
Like,
this year highest was
mhm.
$33,000 in one day.
Okay. So that is like for most of the world when it's going down. Like this year was like really bad since the start of the year. Your best day or
So
ever
see,
best ever day.
yeah,
If you talk about that.
in terms of profitability, I would
Yes.
say yeah, best ever day.
Okay. Cool.
Because we were like 40% profit and
Mm-hmm.
$33,000 revenue.
Mm-hmm.
So that is something, even if I did $40,000 back in,
Mm-hmm.
before 2020,
Mm-hmm.
that was somewhere around, 20%. But
Yeah.
here
Yeah.
we were riding a wave, and it was like we were almost there to do 100K the next day. But,
Mm. Yeah.
things
Things happen.
sometimes
Things
open,
happen. Yeah.
things happen, and we were actually on the way to make basically 50K to 100K in the next 2 days, just in
Okay.
one day.
Okay.
But okay, that's fine, but now just imagine, the possibilities,
Yes, yeah, that's what I
you
wanted to
know
ask.
what the possibilities
And
are,
one thing is just I'd like to add इधर उन लोगों के लिए जो कि इस number को देख के this is the number which is gonna be there on the thumbnail, or people just put that number on the thumbnail, and I just want to tell कि इसके पीछे 4 साल लगे. There were
yeah.
losses. That's
I've been sharing that for a long time, that it's not just I'm coming out of nowhere, I'm saying
yeah
okay.
yeah
I've been sharing this for since 2016.
Yes.
And even that's the reason I even talked about the negative $15,000 right now this
Yeah,
year.
yeah,
You know,
yeah,
just to make a clear scenario, because people only see the sunshine,
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
rainbow and the sunshine,
Yes.
and they just believe that whatever numbers or whatever lifestyle people are perceiving on social media is the only thing they see. Because how can you, you know, by watching someone's video for 15 or 20 minutes, how can you basically see what his life in
Exactly.
the whole 24
They're gonna
hours?
touch on your life. Don't worry.
Yeah. No, I'm just you know, that's actually that's how people
Yeah, yeah. I
get
understand. You know,
manipulated easily.
yeah, those videos that are out there on YouTube, like itne din mein lagaye, itne paise or itne, like
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah,
those
yeah.
kind of thumbnails are just killing me from inside. Like I don't know, people just look at the thing. Okay, he does blogging, and he makes this much amount of. So let me start it also, and that's not the way. You need to
That's
love
another
it.
way.
I can clearly see you love the process, like the thing that you're like every day you are doing, and now you're into teaching since past couple of years, I guess. So you are teaching also. You made your course in 2018.
So I've been into, you know, I was when I started the internet marketing journey, I was always into whatever I've learned. I was actually kind of commenting everyone on the
Mm,
group, and I started doing that. And it came to me that okay, I like to, you know, do that.
yeah.
And then when I started e-commerce, I was doing the same thing, sharing that
So let's go there. Let's go
without
there.
any.
Let's go there. So let's start with your journey with e-commerce, because